Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Mr. Coder, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do Guess the Maximum, Problem A from Codeforces Round 951 Division 2. So Alice and Bob came up with a rather strange game. They have a array of n integers, and Alice chooses a certain integer k and tells it to Bob. Then the following happens. Bob chooses two integers I and j, and then finds the maximum among those integers between I and j, inclusive. And then if the obtained maximum is strictly greater than k, Alice wins. Otherwise, Bob wins. Help Alice find the maximum k at which she's guaranteed to win. So if we look at this first test case, so if Bob picks like 2, 4, then the maximum will be 4. 2, 4, 1, the maximum will be 4. 4, 1, the maximum will be 4. 2, 4, 1, 7, the maximum will be 7. 4, 4, 1, 7, the maximum will be 7. And 1, 7, the maximum will be 7. So, and Bob wants to get the minimum of those. So then Alice would have to get, for Alice to be guaranteed, then if Bob picks a minimum, then Alice will have to beat the minimum. And the minimum here is 4, which means that if the minimum here is 4, that means that Alice would have to pick the one right below it, which is the maximum, which will be 4 minus 1, which is 3. 3 is right here. And then in this case, Bob can just pick 1 to 2. Bob can pick 1 to 2, which it has a maximum of 2. So that means that it can be, Alice can do 1, and then 2 is greater than 1, and there's no way for Bob to just get 1, so that's why it's 1. So if you notice that the minimum will always be from groups of 2, because groups of 2 is the smallest it can go, because it says I is less than j, which means it has to be 2 integers at least in between this whole array, ai to aj. So yeah, and then if we just take a look at this test case, 36, 8, 16. So 37 and 8, 37, 8 and 16, 16. So if we test our theory, then it'll be 16 as the minimum, which then will be 16 minus 1, which is 15, which is the answer. So if we code that, then we get input the vector, and then we have set the minimum to be the max integer max. So then we keep lowering the minimum by minimum equals minimum of the current minimum and the maximum of the current one and the next one, which it just says for every 2, it gets the maximum of those. So then you can just print out minimum minus 1. And that's how I got accepted on Guess the Maximum from Codeforces Round 951 Division 2, Problem A. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.